In this video, I'll be showing you how to download Fortnite on PC and laptop. To start, go to the Epic Games website and click the download button in the top corner. I'll include a link to the website in the description. Wait for the download to finish, then open the download manager and click the Open File Location or Show in Folder button. Double-click on the Epic installer file and a window should appear. If it doesn't, then open it from the taskbar. Click the Change button if you want to change where the Epic Games launcher installs to. I'll just be using the default location. Once done, click Install. Click Yes if asked to allow the Epic Games launcher to make changes, then wait for the installation to continue. Select Yes again if asked to allow changes to be made, then wait. You should now see the Epic Games launcher begin to download and update. If asked to allow changes again, then select Yes. Once done, the Epic Games launcher window should open. Choose to sign in using one of the provided options, or click the Create an Account text to make an account if you don't already have one. After signing in, head to the top and select the search box. Type in Fortnite, then press Enter. Select Fortnite from below, then head to the side and click the Get button. Mine says In Library because I already have it. Click the In Library button, then go across and select Fortnite. If you want to change where Fortnite installs to, then click the Browse button and choose a new location. Choose if you want to allow Fortnite to auto-update in the selected folder, and if you want to create a shortcut to Fortnite, then click the Install button. If you see a license agreement, then read it and check the box to agree to the agreement, then click Accept. Click Yes to allow Epic Games Launcher to make changes, and Fortnite will begin to download. If this window opens, then you can just close it. Wait for Fortnite to download and install. This may take a while. Once done, click on Fortnite to launch the game. You will need to click Yes to allow the easy anti-cheat to make changes. You now know how to download Fortnite on PC and laptop. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.